Welcome to Canvas Bytes. Organizing and maintaining electronic files among multiple courses can be a daunting task, which is why Canvas offers a variety of storage, access, and accessibility options to help keep your digital paper trail under control. Each Canvas course has a separate storage space that can hold up to 1 gigabyte of files, which can include documents, presentations, images, and recorded media. This storage space can be organized with nested folders, similar to how files may be organized on a computer. Each time a file is added to course content, such as linking to a document on a page or embedding an image in an assignment, the added item automatically gets stored in the course files. Instructors can control student access to individual files or entire folders by adjusting the permissions. Additionally, instructors may choose to remove student access to the entire files area by disabling the files link in the course navigation menu through the course settings. This way, students can be granted access to specific files through links as they need to access them, such as on specific pages, within modules, or in assignments, rather than allowing students to see all files at once. Each uploaded file is checked for accessibility by Ally, Canvas's built-in accessibility checker, and provided a rating, which is displayed as a colorful gauge. Clicking on the accessibility gauge will open a window that explains how the item is rated and what might be done to increase the accessibility score. Confirming that all files are accessible is important to ensuring that there are no barriers for students who may require accommodations to fully utilize electronic course material. CERT is happy to advise on how to increase the accessibility of course contents and to assist with making files fully accessible. You may want to check out the official Canvas guides to read about how to add and manage files, or view the video overview to learn more about how to use this handy tool. As always, thanks for tuning in, and make sure to keep an eye out for the next episode of Canvas Bytes. We're excited to take you through Canvas one byte at a time.